So let's look at the structure of good. So I don't know if the 30-minute candle will be able to bridge 3,310. But if the candle is able to bridge that, we see the previous candle stopped on the support floor on 30 minutes. So if it breaches that, then it will go back to retest 3,321 and drop from there. At 3,321, we'll have a very strong price action at that level. And so it's up to you to be patient. Either you allow price, whoever is going to bring price into this zone where you are going to short, or you come from here and buy. But at the moment where it is now, it's looking like something that wants to do whatever it wants to do. So it's not certain what the market wants to do at that level. It's not certain. That's a 30-minute candle. That's a 30-minute candle. So it could be a buyback candle. It could buy back from that level, and they could continue to sell into this structure. We have about 6 minutes to the end of 30 minutes. So I think if it breaks that 30-minute support floor, then price will continue to come down. Then if it rejects it, then it will come down here, where I think it will most definitely want to retest a broken demand floor and turn it to a supply roof in order to take away the floor descending liquidity. So this is what I see. This is my perspective. It doesn't necessarily mean this is what's going to happen in the market, but when you look at it critically, you'll see that the market always do one thing. And I think let's look at it again on a critical perspective. Have your demand flow. Let's see. I think that guy might want to buy back from there. That guy might want to buy back from that place. So if he buys from there, that's fine. If it doesn't, that's still fine. But from what he's doing there, it looks like you want to buy from that floor. There is a structure at that level. There's a cross, a very beautiful cross at that level. So if that cross is respected, that could technically mean that the market is bracing up for a buy, hoping to go retest with a 100 pip or maybe 150 pip push. Then from that level, you'll be looking at short. So it's what we'll see on 30 minutes, and it's technically relating to 15 minutes. They're all bearing the same thing. So I think at this level, this cross can technically do that job for us. Where I see here price pre here as a demand floor, and we have here as a demand floor at the break of structure, and price broke back, technically putting here as a demand structure. And I think here it might buy back from this level 309. It might buy back here from 309. I'm seeing there as a potential buy floor, and so let's go back. Take that's 180 pip, 180 pip. Blessed memory, 180 pip. That's a demand floor. This is a demand floor. Yes, it's another demand floor. So this is a demand floor. You aren't disputing that. That's a demand floor over there. So let's see if it takes us 180 pip. Let's ride like a bull. London session, let's go. We're in London session reporting from Africa. Let's see. So if you are not confident enough to enter at this level, come on, you can just relax and let this market come down to this level at 3,289, where it aligns with the descending trend line DTL, and at that level you ride with the wave. I think London section might just want to do that. They might want to go with the DTL. They might want to go to the trading is probability 100%. 100% probability, that's what trading is. But the difference between trading and every other thing you look at is that there are a lot of fundamentals surrounding trading. There are a whole lot of fundamentals. So it's easier to follow the market based on the fundamentals surrounding the market, and you could just be right doing so. So why some traders get it wrong is because they do not read, they do not follow fundamentals, and you just want to just do things because others are doing. Look, it doesn't work like that. So this is my SR, and these are RS. So let's see, London section. Can you do that for us? So let's see if London session does that. But if it doesn't do that, I have a very comfortable buy floor here. So let me just put up that trade for the community. And We have here is another RS, and we have here is a close-up candle on line chart. This is also an SR level, and that makes that place in the demand floor. Have a beautiful day. Let's close down on that money. Let's close down on it. Come on, let's close down on it.